Hi, and welcome to episode 617 with whatsforchow.com. Marinara sauce is an all-time favorite and is used in dozens of Italian dishes, including pizzas and chicken parmesan. To make your own marinara sauce, place 800 grams tinned Italian tomatoes in juice in your food processor. You can also use fresh skinned Roma tomatoes. Add 30 ml olive oil, 15 ml dried garlic flakes or 6 fresh cloves of garlic, 2.5 ml chilli flakes, 7.5 ml salt, 15 ml Italian herb blend, 2.5 ml cracked black pepper, and 5 ml sugar. If you cannot find Italian herb blend in your local supermarket, I have included the recipe below in the description. Pop the lid on the processor and zap this for about 30 seconds until reasonably fine. Transfer the mixture to a large pan and place this over medium heat. Bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and allow the sauce to simmer and reduce for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring regularly. Once the sauce has no visible liquid and your spatula leaves a well-defined trail that holds its shape, the sauce is ready. Turn off the heat and transfer the sauce to a container or serving bowl. Stay tuned for our next episode where we're making a magnificent chicken parmesan burger. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again on Sunday.